So I'm here in southbound Brook, New Jersey, which is about 45 minutes from New York City, to check out a meat market. Well, it's not just really a meat market, it's a meat market in kind of like a deli. And well, it's not just that, it's run by a family. Well, it's not just run by a family, it's headed up by a kid. And he's not really just a kid, he's 18, he's a senior in high school. Well, if you think this story is great, I hear the food's even better. This is Joe's Meat Market.
Eggplant parm over linguine.
We come to Joe's because we want quality meats.
They got pretty much anything for everybody.
Penny vodka shrimp and chicken.
They do make the very best Italian in the whole area.
That's Joe and Dolly LaCourte, who have gone full tilt at their restaurant Meat Market Deli for 30 years. And now their 18-year-old son runs the show. This is crazy. Walk me through it, boss.
I started when I was 12, and I bought the guy out when I was 18.
I was talking to the boss.
Oh.
Yes.
No, go ahead. I'm just kidding.
He is the boss. He had a meat knife in his hand when he was 12.
Every day after school, I used to come and just watch the cooks.
He wants to take over the family business.
Giovanni learned a lot from his father. He makes everything fresh.
One Market Sloppy Joe.
The Market Sloppy Joe is amazing.
Turkey, roast beef, corned beef, coleslaw, the Russian dressing, 3 pieces of bread. One of the best sandwiches you're gonna eat.
What are we making first?
The brine for the corned beef. We start with the hot water. This is for the Sloppy Joe.
Isn't a sloppy Joe typically tomato sauce and sloppy and...
We do it a little different. Curing salt, sugar, and regular salt.
So that's not a pink salt?
It's the same as the pink salt.
Right.
Just not.
It's not
yeah,
pink.
it's not pink, but it does the same purpose.
So this is going to give it that red hue to the meat.
Yes, pickling spice, smashed garlic, chopped onions, add the meat, and then the cold water.
And that's going to sit for how long?
48 days.
For 48 days.
We put it in a pan, carrots, onions, a little water, and we cook it 500 for 3 hours. Wrap it up, the next day it's ready for use. Now we're gonna be making the turkey, parsley, garlic, white pepper, paprika, olive oil.
Just going to give this a dry rub?
Yes.
In what temp?
375 for 2 hours.
And what are we going to make next?
Coleslaw, cabbage, carrots, sugar, celery seed, salt, white vinegar, and mayo.
Next up.
The roast beef.
Good man.
Salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and minced onion. And then I just sprinkle it on top, put it in the pan.
Get the water. We're going to let this go how long?
2 hours at 375.
Let's make it happen, Captain.
Rye bread. Russian,
Oh, slow down. 3 pieces of bread. That means this thing is going to go.
coleslaw on 2, corned beef.
You've sliced it so thin, it's only got one side. Great color, great flavor.
Turkey, the roast beef,
Dead man.
Swiss cheese, toothpicks.
That's not toothpicks. That right there is like a saber.
Put Russian on top. It's a little messy.
Thank you, Captain Obvious.
Obvious.
It comes with a beach towel. Can anybody eat a whole one?
Oh yeah, they like it.
You just help them to their car and let them sleep it off? I don't know what I like more about the sandwich. That you guys are roasting all these meats and brining them, or the Russian is delicious. Slaw's got good crunch, doesn't overpower it. Corned beef is out to lunch. Roast beef cooked perfectly. Turkey, delicious. Really good Swiss cheese, thinly sliced. When a cold sandwich can taste that good, it's because you're using quality ingredients and doing it the right way.
Yes, thank you.
Impressed, buddy?
Thank you.
Market Sloppy Joe.
The Russian dressing, you can tell how fresh it is.
2 good buddies of mine, Brian and Jess.
It's exactly what a sloppy Joe should be. Covered with meat. This is a meal for a family.